What is the best setup for text messaging? I can send to my friend on his 868 and he will receive it, but I will not receive text messages on my 878 UV plus. Well, it depends on which, Freddie, it depends on actually which service you're using. One of them, okay, let's take a step back. There's APRS text messaging, both analog and digital. And then there's also SMSC, which is SMS with call signs. Through these digital networks, the SMSCs actually work great because it is just a talk group. You send it through just like you do your APRS on 310999, and that will automatically transmit to them. And when they have a connection, they can get it. Now, to use some of these text messaging services, it won't work on your radio just off the bat. We are working on an episode to show you guys exactly the step-by-step to do it. I think we did it once, but we have some other ones and we'll do it again. And we're going to show you the exact step-by-step to go through and actually do SMSC, SMS for weather, SMS for GPS, and a whole bunch of other things with SMS. There's actually a lot of features and functionalities, but the SMS will not retrieve onto your radio until you actually set it to communicate with the network and program it saying, hey, I want it to be like this. This is my configuration I'm using. Please send me the information on demand. Otherwise, you got to log in and say, hey, do I have any messages? So we will bring a whole episode on that for you, Freddie. I'm working on it specifically myself, right? I've been working on it and getting all of that together. And we'll make sure we have show notes for that one because that is going to be a little bit more difficult to follow. And we want to make sure everyone has the exact notes in front of them.